I have to take a shower real quick. So I'm gonna try this transition thing. I've never really done it. So I'll be right back. Alright guys. I just had to take a shower, that's really it. He's alright, okay.
I'm almost there.
Where you at?
Your road.
Sweet.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, so in my last vlog, which I explained how I needed like some things to put like how like for litmus, for vlogmas, but in my case it'll be litmus, what I'm gonna post. But and I explain it'll only be like 15 vlogs out of the month, but I'm thinking about fucking bugs. Thinking about doing like gameplays of Black Ops 4, you know, just whatever, and posting them on the days that I work. So it'll be like 15 vlogs. My friend just passed the road. I mean my driveway. 15 vlogs and 15 gameplays. It'll be like 16 or 15, whatever. I don't know. Should be 16 vlogs actually. But today I haven't decided if it's gonna be one of those litmus vlogs or whatever. But I just know I'm gonna vlog. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. I'm gonna try to do something cool. I don't know, but we'll see. How did you like forget?
Man, it's nighttime. I remember where your house was like. I just can't fucking.
Well, I'm recording today, so I don't know what we're gonna do, but
Go to the mall, I guess.
that's what I was thinking. Dude, I'm dying for some Chinese food. Are you on the road?
Yeah.
Do you see reindeer?
No?
I'm pretty sure I see your car. Good, good. Alright, so like I was saying, public, save, and the vlog's live.
What's up?
Yo, I had to wear shorts too. Why does it smell like this?
Smell like what?
You know.
It was fucking terrible. And like, I don't know. I just had like the worst anxiety. I was in fucking run up on me mode. But there were way too many of them. And I was like, man, shit, I wish Brandon were here.
Oh, I told you to come to my house, but you know,
I couldn't fucking drive.
you like to be a bitch. It's fucking lit, man. I'm ready for this Chinese food.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
You know, you can get two sides. It's a combo if you just want one.
Oh. What else is
Or
good?
do you want double sesame chicken?
Yeah, that's fine.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I'll take a large tip. This is so awkward for you, huh?
I'm trying.
I'm trying, man.
Is it on Frank?
Yep.
Alright, well, you know how, you probably don't even watch my videos, but I posted a video, I was here whenever Black Ops released, and I like kept asking Ariana to like marry me and shit. You didn't watch the video, so you wouldn't know. Well, anyway, I did, and like I clickbaited and I was like, I'm getting married and shit, and now all I really gotta say is, how do I want to put it? I don't know how to put it without starting shit. The wedding is off. That's all I have to say about that. But bro,
You should say new wife cheats.
my new wife cheated on me.
Not clickbait.
Bro, my fiance cheated on me? Are you serious, bro? Alright, but like on the real, can you hurry the fuck up?
Okay. When we're done.
They got, just eat the last bit of chicken. If I eat, my squad eats. And I am home. Titties. I want that hat actually.
You got $20 hats.
Buy one, get one 50% off though.
Oh, that's nice. I like that hat.
I like this this snow fuck yourself sweater. That's pretty funny. Imagine having sex with somebody and then telling you you're killing me, Smalls. How would you feel?
Terrible.
I think I might just, well, I mean, if you're killing her, you're still doing the work, but she's calling you small, so.
Yeah, I think I might cry.
I got that from these socks. But I don't know why I thought of that. I'm fucking pervert with sleep.
Yep.
I'm really here every single day that I'm off. I've learned to always keep the camera recording just in case things go down. Hey, let's go visit Nick at his home.
Kaplan.
Let's get it poppin'!
Yeah.
Very poppin'!
Yup. Oh, you can delete that. I'm cringy.
I try to be so funny. I'm just fucking stupid, man.
Go to the Lifeway Christian store. I could go in there and catch a fucking flame.
What's going on?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Brings you in tonight.
Just looking.
Hey, cool. Let's go
Wasting
with
time. Thank you. I think he recognized me because of the camera. Not because.
like his camera dude.
Yeah, he's the one that got the camera for me.
Oh, look, it's animated.
Oh, fuck off.
Man, everyone hates my vlog.
Fucking emo kid has a girlfriend. And she's not that bad looking. Did you hear me?
What?
That fucking emo kid had a girlfriend. And she wasn't that bad looking.
Well, he could do what he did.
Bro, I've been shooting my shots since 2017. Yeet. Nothing happened. It's almost 2019.
Shots not very long. They're very brief.
Yeah, he started in like July. He was gay at one point.
Huh?
Nothing. You just have to wait and see. Not this one? Soon. Oh, fuck. soon. Yo, I wonder if I could put my card in here and see. Like, what? Like, bro. Hey, look. Down.
What?
There we go. Look.
Is that your camera?
Yeah.
Ah, sweet.
It's shitty, but
Gets the
they
job done.
definitely went down on price. I paid $300 for it.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, big definitely. Also big oof.
big, definitely. Definitely big oof.
Hey, look,
Wow. This isn't a sponsored clip, but you can get Fortnite for free if you buy this Xbox One. Ain't that some shit? See, like this one though. $9 grand. I better fucking walk into heaven when I open this. Or Bridge to Terabithia. Well, I gotta cross the bridge for that, but Narnia, that's what I'm trying to say. That's nice.
That's that real rich fridge.
One day.
Okay. Okay. Oh shit.
No, look. Look, that one closed.
Actually broke it.
Close it, open it up. Oh, oh.
It's the flap.
Close it at the same time.
Okay.
Meet up with me.
Fuck it. Let's go.
Look, it's closed. Clickbait. Broke a $9,000 fridge. That's fine.
Found Samsung fridge, bro.
The Samsung
You can hook your phone up to it and play music.
tap. Of course, it's slow like a Samsung too.
This video is sponsored by Apple.
Hey yo, YouTube and MTV. This is my crib. So I got five refrigerators. We're gonna show you the nice one though. We're not gonna show the price on it. Cause you know I don't like to talk about my money like that. As my friend here Dominic would say, we got a blender in the freezer. Even though it's a crushed ice thingy. We got the dark gray on the inside, you know. I like that gray. Yeah, but we're not gonna talk about the price. But yeah, I got like 20 ovens and this nice ass stove. It don't work right now, but that's for another story. But anyway, thank you guys for watching my crib. This has been your boy, Skinny Penis. Peace out.